Hi guys, my name is Melanie. This is my 2023 holiday gift guide. On a budget, we're doing it cheap. So I'm going to be starting with the cheapest ones and then going to the most expensive ones. My next category is gym people. That's why I was thinking water bottles. We lose them. You can never have enough water bottles. One is for a protein shake, one is for electrolytes, and one is just for water. There's some really good ones at Target. Probably find some on Amazon. I also said like a stretch band, something I actually use all the time. And there's a lot of workouts that can use those like tension bands and stuff like that. So not a bad gift. I'm a big runner, so having a running vest would be something amazing. I also get like weighted vests. I know some people are really into that for like hiking and stuff, but I would love a running vest because sometimes it's hard to run with your keys and your water bottle and phone and headphones, so it'd be really nice to have like a place to put them. I also thought a yoga mat would be a good gift in this category because one, you're stretching, two, there's a lot of workouts that you're on the floor and maybe you don't want to use the gym ones all the time. You could bring your own. Okay, a little bit more on the pricey side, but you could kind of pitch in for running shoes, maybe like a gift card. I don't know if they even do gift cards for like running shoes. If there's a place that has like a lot of good running shoes, like I don't know, REI even has like a lot of hiking shoes. You could get a gift card for that and they can spend it on whatever they want over there. I'm just getting into the Gymshark kind of workout clothes sort of situation, and my boyfriend actually bought me 2 pairs of leggings from there for my birthday, and I felt like that was just such a good gift because I'm going to be using those leggings so much, and I thought I'd add that here. And lastly, the most expensive thing is like a massage gun. Any recovery item is a really great idea, but I think a massage gun would be perfect for like somebody that loves the gym, or maybe even just like a few of their favorite protein bars or protein powder. Or socks, like athletic socks. I know that sounds weird, but I was realizing the other day I don't have enough of those. We got to this point. I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck on all your holiday festivities and shopping. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!